music is addressed to my people, especially to make them more curious about where they came from and their own identity and pride in that identity.
Hey guys, it's your girl Rogue back again. So I went to work, and one of my coworkers, I was trading plants with her, and she had these gorgeous plants. I'm going to put it on one of these sides, probably right over here. She had these gorgeous plants, and I traded an aloe vera, one of my big aloe vera, for a couple of pinches. I got some pinches of her plants. So I got 2 of each. One of them was a huge lily. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Now, of course, rogue lilies would have to get some lilies, right? Hopefully these leaves right here, some of them are brown. It's okay. But I did get, and I just put them in some old glasses that I had, that I'm not using anymore. Look at those roots, though. Look at those roots. Okay, so we're going to propagate that. We're going to propagate that for right now. And then this one, I don't know how I got this big old piece of root. Y'all, look at this. Look at this. Look how gorgeous this root is. That is one big root that I got off of there. So these are going to stay in water for a little while. Heck, you know, they might stay forever. We're going to see how long I can go without having to put them in soil, because I love me a good water plant. I love me some beautiful house plants in water. Put some decorations in here maybe, or even maybe change it to a different vessel. This is just a vase, a cylinder vase that I had laying around the house that I use. So those are going into my home with the other house plants that I have right now. But I also did get some, hold on, I have to say the name correctly. Dieffenbachia. Yeah, I know that's not right, but they're called dumb canes. I don't really think that's, whatever. They're called dumb canes. And here are 2 that I got from her. They're, this one is, it's going to take them a minute to get actually used to being in the water. So right now they're a little soft and a little limp, but once they get adjusted to the water, it's going to be a go from there, okay? But look how pretty. Look how pretty they are. That was one, I didn't get much of the stem on that one, but y'all, okay? Look at this. Look at this. So this is going to be going, I'm going to be cutting this up into pieces. All you need to propagate this is, you see that little piece right there? That little hump? Put a hump in your back and shake your rump. Hey. That little hump is all you need. So, and this one has many of them. So this can restart the root system. So I'm probably going to take 4, maybe 5, but definitely 4, so that I have enough to put back in the water here. But this is definitely going to be about 4 props that I'm going to put in some soil, and then you all will have a video coming soon on me propagating this into some soil and in the water. But yeah, that's it. I'm excited. That's what I did today, or that's what I did yesterday. Yeah, that's it. Bye, y'all. Have a good day. Love you, cousins. If you enjoyed this video from Main Cuisine, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. Also, hit us up on all of our social media. Comment, let us know what you want to see from us, because this channel is for you. Bye, cousins.